2017 Fiat 500. Look at a little baby car, but it's cool looking, dude. It's different. Basically, their competition of Mini Cooper, I guess, is the Fiat 500. What we got done on this little beast, factory converter up there, flex pipe, then 2-inch pipe, and continued the 2-inch pipe and did a resonator delete, then 2-inch pipe continues, and then a muffler delete, and then we reuse his cute little tip because it fits the car perfectly, as you guys can see. Here it is, Fiat 500. And then there's the muffler right there. There's a resonator right there that we cut off and made it sound a lot better. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Fiat 500.
It's so loud. Record this. That sounds so good. It's loud. Again. Here's 109. There you go, guys. Fiat 500. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah. Let you guys hear on this. Fiat 500 going super fast. Straight piped. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments.